Hey, what's up, TruExperience fam? I'm Richie McCaney, teaching you how to experience the most in mindset, freedom, and weight loss. If you like those topics, do yourself a favor, get connected, stay connected. If you're new around here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Does TruVision health weight loss really work? No, not for everybody. Guys, I want to be clear about this. I am an independent TruVision associate, or a TruVision independent associate. However you want to say that. I've been now for 4 years with my wife, Amanda. The point of this video is to shed some truthful light and talk about what's true, maybe what's not true, some misconceptions, and some of the overhyped things that might go on that you might have heard. All right, so we're going to answer some of the most frequently asked questions that I've seen online, that we've gotten ourselves. And so let's go ahead and dive into this. TruVision Health is a weight loss supplement company who has an online store, and their main sales force, their only sales force really, is from average everyday people who send folks to the website, and when folks purchase, the company sends them money, okay? Very similar that if you send somebody to Amazon, like an affiliate link, and they purchase those products, Amazon will send that person some money. This is the same thing with health supplements, okay? Now, here's the problem that happens with that sometimes, is that you can get some shady associates. All right, because we're regular folks, that's either through ignorance and they just don't know, or some of them might even be malicious and their only real goal is to make a buck. They might word things, say things, do things that benefit them, but not necessarily the customer. Unfortunately, when that does happen, and it's rare, but it does happen, it sheds a bad light on the product, it sheds a bad light on the customer, on the company altogether, and that's why we're here talking about it, just being upfront and honest. Now, what I've personally seen from my personal experience from the corporate side of things, from the actual company, and we're talking about from the formulator, the CEO, the founders, and everybody in between, that has to do with a company, that they have operated with complete integrity for as long as I've been with this company. Every decision they make they think is the best decision for the customer and for the associate. And they work tirelessly to make those things happen. And so I want to be honest about that, and let's talk about some of these things that might go down. It ain't no different than a car salesman. Some of them are the best, they're the greatest, and they'll go over and beyond to make things happen. And then you got some that's like, I'm going to upcharge them, I'm going to sell them this. I know they don't need it, but I'm going to sell it anyway because it makes my check higher. Those things happen. It's unfortunate, but it's true. Okay, let's just call it what it is. It's true. Let's talk about some of these before and after pictures. You might be questioning, I'm seeing some of these before and afters, and I think it's a scam. I'm just skeptical that can't be true. Is it true? Yes and no. Some of these pictures, they might be a little exaggerated. And I'll tell you why. It's because I've seen some of these pictures, I'm like, oh my goodness, man, that's amazing. And then I see this person in real life, and I'm like, ooh, there's some trickery-dickery going on around here. Boy, they was hitting some fine camera angles right then. They might even be using the app to shrink some stuff, man. We see it, and I'm like, I don't know why. It's not necessary. I've seen some photos that I've had a hard time believing, like, there ain't no way. That's no way that happens. And then I end up meeting these people in real life. And I'm like, holy crap, that's legit. I'll be honest, my wife is one of them. And I'm going to show you before and after later on in this of an amazing, where you're just kind of like, I just can't even believe that's crazy awesome. But yes and no. Do your due diligence. We can't control what some people do. Okay? So majority of these stories, they're legit. Straight up legit. I can testify about it because I'm one of them. My wife is one of them. We got several customers that's one of them. But then there's also some that get fudged, they get stretched, they get, exaggerated because, again, some people want to make a buck. Don't let that deter you from the fact that these products, from what we've seen, they do work for more people than they don't work. Okay, let's move into the next question. How does TruVision work? Okay, this is mainly, we're only going to focus on two products, and that is that it is two supplements that work together. You've got what we call the orange and the blue. It's truFIX, which is, it balances blood. It helps to maintain cravings, optimizes like weight management. And then you have the orange, which is truCONTROL. And that's one that optimizes body fat It's supposed to lead you to feel more energized naturally throughout the day. And then it really helps with appetite. Okay. These two supplements together is what helps aid with weight loss. I do want to point out that they are supplements. They're meant to supplement your daily regimen. Your eating and your movement, your exercise is meant to supplement those things, not replace those things. If anybody out there is telling you otherwise, that you don't need or have to do anything whatsoever, they're not looking out for your best interest, okay? And if you have no intentions of taking these supplements and doing anything to work with them, do yourself a favor, save your money. Don't get them, don't buy them. You ain't got no business trying to get a health supplement if you don't want to be healthy. If you're going to continue to lay around and not do anything, do not get these products. They're not made for that. They don't work overnight. No, you can't just take the products and do absolutely nothing and lose weight. And for those who've seen the benefits that happen, their weights come back because they maintain bad habits. Are these products FDA approved? No, they're not. To my knowledge, the FDA does not even approve or regulate supplements. Okay, so there's that. I will say this, and the word on the street is that, to my knowledge, the facility at which these products are manufactured is an FDA approved facility, and that the ingredients individually that go into this supplement are FDA approved ingredients. Like basically, if there's a deal where the FDA is going to like ban ingredients or things like that, then TruVision is not going to put them in their products. Are TruVision products safe? Yes, but I don't know what's safe for you. Coconuts have a great many benefits to take it, and hydration and all kinds of stuff like that. And for a lot of people, they taste really good, about as natural as you can get. But for other people, coconuts, they're allergic to them and it causes death. Okay? So two extremes. Super beneficial, could kill you. And that's a natural product. I don't know what's safe for you, man. Like, do your own due diligence. Only any associate, what they should be doing is saying, hey, go check out my online store. There's all the information, the supplement facts that you want. Go look. I don't know. I can tell you, for me, they were great. For you, I don't know. You need to go and find out and do your own research on that. I've got 2 kids, 6 and 9, and I've given my kids products, all kinds of products. No problems whatsoever. Actually, a lot of benefits from me doing it. No issues whatsoever. My kids are fit. Okay? My daughter's a competitive gymnast. My son does jiu-jitsu and basketball and baseball. And I give them stuff all the time. And it works great for them. So in my opinion, it's safe. For you, decide for yourself. Can you take these products with medication? This is the only answer you should be getting from anybody. If anybody tells you different, proceed with caution. Go talk to your doctor, because I don't know. All I can say for sure is that I've had customers on medication, like several customers on medication, take these products to great benefit for them. And I'll leave it at that. My father-in-law, diabetic, shots, medication, trying to get his sugar down. Nothing seemed to help. Over 500 in the sugar. He started taking a product. Maybe it was a product, maybe it wasn't. But I know he started taking it and his sugar went down to below 200. So it went down to a lot better range from where it was at once he started taking these supplements, okay? And he was on medication. I don't know, go ask your doctor. Can kids take TruVision? Yeah, I think I've already answered that, but it's at parents' discretion, right? Again, you know your kids, what they can, what they need. Tons of customers who give their kids products. We actually have 2 products specifically for kids ages 4 and above, and they're gummies. It's a VitaFix with multivitamin and truFIX mix in a gummy form. They're good. And then you also have the calming gummies, and these things are like magic. Okay, I don't believe in magic products. These things are like magic. They'll calm you down. I take them, my wife takes them, my kids take them. They help you rest. They help you get an amazing night's sleep. I'll probably do a whole video article just about that alone. And then if you have kids that are super overactive, I've known some customers who have taken them, given them to their kids, given them one, and it kind of mellows them out a little bit where they're calm. So yes, kids can take them. Parents' discretion. What is a TruVision weight loss diet? There is no diet. There is no specific way that you should eat. That doesn't mean that we're condoning eat anything. Naturally, you should try to eat less. And look, bottom line is try to eat less processed foods. Try to eat stuff that's more natural, higher in proteins and fibers. And look, we know what kind of stuff we should be eating, man. The more natural you can eat, the better off you're going to be. All right, try to eat less of what you've been eating or you wouldn't have been in a situation you're in the first place. But there's no specific meal plan. You can look at keto, you can look at Whole30, you can look at intermediate fasting. I've done all three of those, and to me, they've all worked fantastic, especially in combination with the supplements. It's really escalated weight loss when I did any of those. And so there's several options out there that work. Figure out which one works best for you. How much does it cost to join TruVision Health? It doesn't. There's nothing to join. You just become a customer. If you want something, you purchase it. There is a way you can set up an account. I mean, you got to set up an account, but it's free. It's free to set up an account. So zero cost to join TruVision. Now, if you're talking about what it costs to purchase TruVision, depends what you get. Most people, if we're talking about truFIX, truCONTROL, the two supplements, the main ones, you got the 7-day experience pack that's $29. That's what my wife and I started out with. That worked for us. So yeah, after that, if you have a good experience and you feel really good on it and you want to upgrade to something else, then it's just completely dependent on what you decide to get. The conclusion to this whole deal is that these products are meant to help lose weight and manage weight. They work really well for some people they don't work well with. Some people take them and they don't work with them, other folks do. It's up for you to decide. I don't know. All I can tell you for sure is it worked extremely well for myself. It worked extremely well for my wife, and it works extremely well for thousands of other people out there. Whether it's a fit for you or not, no way of knowing. Best thing you can do is go browse the website, look around, make your own decision, see if it's something you want to give a go. I would start with a 7-day experience pack. Again, it's only $29. That's what I would do and see. Man, if you don't feel good on it, it don't work in 7 days. It's not going to work in 70. Save your money, and at least you got peace of mind to know that you gave it a shot and it wasn't for you. If that's something that you think you might perhaps want to do, then you can click the link below this video, or if you happen to be seeing this on the website, it's going to be on this site somewhere. You're smart, you'll figure it out. Click it, find it. You can hear my wife and I's full story if you want by going to the homepage if you're on our website, experiencethemost.com. And I'll have a link for that probably somewhere popping up on this video. But guys, thank y'all so much. That's all we got. Love, peace, and chicken grease. I'm out.